you see that?
Yes, I
Devendra
can
ji?
see that out basically.
Yes.
Sumita, I would like to tell you is basically you're not full potential. And you have a fear when it comes to your own self. An example is like, suppose you have, suppose there are there are 4 people and they come to you for help or guidance. You are able to guide them very well. But when it comes to your own self, you're wanting people to guide you. Why?
Would you like to have a quick word with her, Devendra ji?
Well, she can guide, she can tell if she wants.
Okay, Sumita, would you like to come on? Give me a quick yes. Let me see if she's still here. Yes, Sumita, is that Sumita's F62? Is that you? I've sent you a request to unmute.
Yes.
There you are.
Is my video on?
Yes, your video is on. Devendra ji, would you like the screen to remain or should we remove the screen for the time being?
You can remove the time, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Go ahead, Sumita.
Good evening, sir. Right.
Good evening.
Yeah. Yeah, your reading was bang on actually. I don't know why it happens, but that was so true.
See, I can only guide you in the senses, basically try to connect all your alphabet. There are a lot of gaps in the alphabets. If you see your own, which you sent me, there are gaps in the words. And if you say the first word T and I forgot the of the T. So I think thanks or something is there, correct? Thankful.
Yes.
I'm thankful. So that T and H is far off.
Okay.
So that you have to bring it together.
Okay.
And when you talk about the signature term, which you made, the S part, the initial S part.
Yes.
Can I have
Would you like the screen? Yes,
yes. I
yes,
would like to have the
absolutely.
screen
Yes.
just now. Yeah, correct.
Shilpa, Amrish, just can we just have Sumita's screen share back?
Yeah, I was talking about this part of the S, the initial
Right.
part. Now this initial part of the S, it is being pulled up. If you see over here, you're trying to pull out of certain things.
Okay.
Or
The
certain
starting.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. And if I draw a straight line over here, this is a curved line. In your case, it's a curved line. But if I draw a straight line over here, what happens is the writing is getting cut at the end. So the writing goes down at the end, which should not be the case. We have to progress to move up.
Okay.
See this waviness in the writing? It's just like we have what? We have a roller coaster ride.
Yes.
If you see the signature.
Correct.
Now link this to your personal life.
Yeah. So you are trying to say that I just have to make it a little more.
Yes, more of the states. Plus, can you see this gap over here between T and H?
Yes.
There's a huge gap between T and H.
Yeah. True.
This is a fear factor also.
Okay.
Interesting. Very interesting.
And I have not seen your full writing. Suppose you write 10 different lines. If you see your writing, your right margin will always be less. That means there will be more gaps in the right side.
Okay.
If you see on right.
Yeah, I see gaps in between as well.
Apart from the between, I'm talking the right side. Right side is basically your social angle.
Okay.
So you withdraw yourself from a lot of areas.
Okay.
I think that would be better. We don't go too much into that.
Yes.
Nice.
Other people are also waiting, I guess.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Also, Sumita, you know what to do for more detailed stuff. Come in and learn it, or take a session with Devendraji.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, who do we have next? Is it Swati by any chance? Swati Nagra. Okay, and I'm just please have a look, Devendraji, and I'm very quickly looking for her as well. Swati, I've sent you. Ah, there you are.
Hi.
Hi, hi.
Swati, can you change the world?
I would love to.
Don't spend your time on changing the world. You cannot change people.
You're laughing like that means something has hit the right note.
Yeah, I would like everyone to obviously be better people.
Just improve your emotional angle.
Okay.
What I would suggest, slightly increase the size of your alphabets. Overall size of alphabets.
Okay.
The smaller alphabets, I'm talking the smaller alphabets will be, these are the smaller alphabets. So slightly increase the size of these alphabets and reduce, widen this gap between words. Slight gap.
Okay.
They are more open.
Hmm.
That will make you a bit emotionally stronger also.
Okay.
In short, people won't take advantage of you.
Okay.
I
And the
hope
signature.
you got the right thing which has been sent to you, said to you.
And the signature.
Signature is fine. Only thing is, try to put a over here. That is, increase this. Just change the slant of the signature. Instead of straight, just 180 degrees. From 180 degrees, just shift it out.
I mean, you mean to say go upwards?
Yeah, go upwards. As you progress, go upwards. Because you have to progress up, na?
Yeah.
You're climbing stairs.
Okay. Okay.
That way.
Okay.
The slant.
All
Signature.
right.
Slant of the signature, not of the writing.
Yeah. So like go 30% upwards.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All
So
right.
work on these.
And the signs down, that seems fine. That's how I practice every day.
Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
All right.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Fine.
Thank you, Swati.
Thank you.
All right. And as we're going to take on one more person because that's the time that we have for today. There was a question.
Reduce
and
one. Swati can reduce the pressure of the pen on the paper if I'm not wrong.
Oh, interesting. You got that, Swati? Okay.
I reduce the pressure. So that does that denote anger or not really?
That in your case, it's not anger. It is connected with your emotional frustrations, emotional pent-up emotions, and all those things.
So write lighter. Don't have that
Yeah,
much
right.
pressure.
Correct. Correct.
Oh, all right. Yeah. So the emotional point was bang on.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you, Swati. And as I was saying, we have time for one more person right now. And team, I'm not sure, I'm not able to find on the participant list. If you could please help me get said person on. Also, there was a question earlier, Devendraji, that I think Sudha had asked. She said, while we're sitting and taking notes. We keep drawing something or the other.
That is doodling basically.
That is doodling, and
Doodling.
that's yes. And I wanted to tell everybody, Devendraji is back on Monday with his second call. With
So
the
I'll be,
second call.
yes, I'll be showing them something on doodles also.
Correct. And a lot more of this. You can
Yes.
you have a lot more questions that you can ask. There'll be a few more examples of exactly these kinds of analyses, and a very special different thing on exactly what
Doodles mean.
Sridhar, you were asking about what the
Doodles.
drawings mean, the doodles. So you'll actually take on the doodles as well.
Correct.
All right, fantastic. And we're waiting for, okay, there it is. Okay, Dimple, there you are. Team, can we have the screen shared? Dimple, I've sent you a request to unmute. Say hello to us.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Neelu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dimple, stick to one thing.
Okay, sir.
Don't jump into multiple things. Concentrate on one thing and go deep into that.
Okay.
You would be much more deeper into that, and plus explore new ways, because you have mind which is having a visualization power. Work on that also.
Okay.
And also try to delegate things. If you're getting things done to people, slight things you can start delegating. Don't keep everything to yourself. Otherwise, what happens is you're taking a lot of things at the same time. So that delegation power has to be there. If you are perfect, don't expect everyone to be perfect.
Got it, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
And
And my signature?
signature, basically, if you see your D-I-M, what happens is you start off with a D with a big one. Then you go, the I is very small. Then the M goes very down. Then again, you start moving up. So in short, what happens is when you start off with a zeal. I want to do so many things. Then what happens? You fizzle out in between. Then again, you move up. So ultimately, what happens is you get confused with a lot of multiple things.
So how can I improve on that? What alphabets?
Just increase this size of alphabets in your signature.
Okay.
Okay. And see over here, can you see this F loop very long? I'm talking about this loop part. See this G. Try to make them almost same.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'll work on this.
And one more thing, can you use T? Can
Sorry,
you see
sir?
this T dash over here?
Yes.
Now this T dash, when we talk about the I dot over here, in the sense when you talk about this I. Now this is not a dot. If you see through a magnifier, this becomes a hook. This becomes a hook.
Okay.
Or a tick mark. Have you seen a tick mark? Okay. One second.
Okay.
And this is where the experience comes in, and that's why you need a magnifying glass.
I'm talking about this. This part.
Okay.
If you see your own writing, you will come to know immediately through a magnifying, you can see there is a hook like this. Now, why do we keep hook residence?
What does this indicate, sir?
Why do we cut the residence? To
Sorry,
hang
Devendra
something.
ji.
Why do we
Okay.
keep hook at the resident something?
To hang something?
So these are the blockages. The hooks are the blockages. So they stop
Interesting.
you.